Your thoughts shape your reality. Anita, she was one of my colleagues. And she was a kind of a person who used to always see the negative side of things. And eventually she noticed that she is attracting only the negative in her life. And eventually everything happened negative with her, which she didn't even want it for her. Then suddenly something happened and her outlook shifted. She started seeing the things in a different way, in a positive way. Her perspective changed. And so did her opportunities also improved, and she got new opportunities for her which she might have wanted for so long. What happened to her? What did she do differently? She started practicing gratitude. She worked on her mindset. Now she was no longer fearful to take risk, to embrace change, to work hard. She became much more resilient and fearless. She stopped her limiting beliefs, she shut them off, and she jumped off to give her 100% in everything. Her optimism opened doors for her. Positive thinking is not about ignoring the challenges, it's about accepting them with hope, with your resilience power, and a can do attitude. So, if you also want to know how did she do that, check the caption for the pro tip and your quick action for the day so that you can also work just like Anita.